Okay, children, a very good morning. Welcome back to the English class, the new Oxford Modern English. Today we'll be doing the English textbook page number 57, question number 4, learning about language. So please pause your video, go and bring English book, open page number 57, question number 4, learning about language. Here they are saying that what we have to do, put the words in the right order to make meaningful sentence. They have jumbled the words. We have to rearrange the words. We have to correct the statement. ऑलवेज रिमेंबर, जब सेंटेंस बनाते हैं तो आइदर आपको नाउन से शुरू करना है और या तो प्रोनाउन से शुरू करना है. ओके, हियर देर इज़ नो नेम ऑफ एनी पर्सन, सो नो नाउन. येस, प्रोनाउन है ही बेटा. ठीक है, सो वी विल स्टार्ट विथ ही देन एक्शन वर्ड लो. ही पुट, ये देखो पुट इज द एक्शन. ही पुट वॉट, हिज हैंड. हिज हैंड कहाँ? इन his pocket. This is the correct form. Okay बेटा, ये देखो. He put his hand in his pocket. This is A1. B, boy, are you foolish shark? So you, yes, you are a foolish boy. किसने बोला था? मम्मा. सी, स्ट्रिंग हैव शुड यू टाइड इट टू. सो फिर से यू से शुरू करेंगे. यू शुड हैव टाइड इट टू अ स्ट्रिंग. आपने उसको स्ट्रिंग से, धागे से बांधा होता. Children, don't worry if you're not able to understand. This is for explanation point of view. I have written. See this next page. See here the answer. First one. Here. He put his hand in his pocket. Always begin either with pronoun or noun. Then you. You are a foolish boy. Second. Third. You should have tied it to a string. Right, children? Please complete children. Okay. Now next, now this is again the page number 57, learning about language, question number 5. What we have to do, we have to give a suitable questions to these answer. Question banana hai. First one, all right, you can take it. तो आपको क्या करना है? ऑल राइट, यू कैन टेक इट. ये कब, सपोज समबडी इज आस्किंग यू समथिंग और आपने कहा ठीक है आप ले लो. वो क्या बोलेंगे? आपको हिंदी में पूछेंगे क्या हम ये लें, तभी तो आप बोलोगे ना हाँ आप ले लो. दैट इज़ व्हाट दे आर सेइंग इन इंग्लिश. ऑल राइट, यू कैन टेक इट. सो व्हाट यू गोइंग टू आस्क? यस प्लीज, मे आई टेक इट और कैन आई टेक इट. हियर इट इज, मे आई टेक दिस एंड यू हैव टू पुट अ क्वेश्चन मार्क. Next one, it is a butter mother from the chapter. Do you remember? Now suppose for example, आप सोचो, आप मम्मा को बता रहे हो it is butter mother. That means मम्मा ने क्या पूछा? वो क्या है? मम्मा ने पूछा अरे वो क्या है? So as per the chapter, what it was? मम्मा ने क्या पूछा था as per the chapter? What is that yellow stuff on your head? So what answer he will give? It is butter mother. Got it children? Very good. Next, you told me, next वाला, you told me to put it in my pocket. आप अपने मामा को बोल रहे हो you told me to put it in my pocket. आपने तो बोला पॉकेट में रखने के लिए. दैट मीन्स मामा बोल रही है, आपको किसने बोला? आपको किसने बोला? तो आपने क्या बोला? आपने तो बोला मम्मा. सो व्हाट इज अ क्वेश्चन? व्हाई डिड यू, द टू वे यू कैन राइट. या तो मामा बोलेंगे व्हाई डिड यू पुट इट इन योर पॉकेट, तुमने क्यों डाला? सो यू आर सेइंग मम्मा आपने तो बोला था, यू ओनली टोल्ड मी टू पुट इट इन द पॉकेट. और अदर वे, नेक्स्ट, हु टोल्ड यू टू पुट इट इन योर पॉकेट. से इन दोनों में से आप कोई भी एक क्वेश्चन बना सकते हैं. आइदर यू कैन बिगिन विथ व्हाई डिड और हु टोल्ड यू टू पुट इट in your pocket. Right children? See this. This is the answer. Once again. All right, you can take it. So the question will be, may I take it? And then question mark. Next, it is butter, mother. Then, what is that yellow stuff on your head? Or, what is that? Simply question you can write, what is that? Or, what is it? Okay, children. Next, you told me to put it in my pocket. Who told you to? Now, see, आपको सिर्फ who करना है. यहाँ की जगह who. Rest everything from the statement. Who told you? Me की जगह you. Who told you to put it in my की जगह your? Who told you to put it in your pocket? Then children, I hope you must have understood this. These are the answers. ये क्वेश्चन है ये, ठीक है. ये आंसर्स ऑफ क्वेश्चन नंबर 5. मेक क्वेश्चन, ठीक है. ओके. Now make meaningful sentences using the given word. First let me explain the meaning. Dusty का मतलब होता है very dusty road, सब धूल बैठा है, dust बैठा हुआ है. Sunny means it's a sunny day. धूप आकाश में है, the sun is in the sky, it's a sunny day. Dislike means you don't like. Next, looked, देखना, to see, to look. Okay, listened, listen, you know the meaning of listen. And the next is a clever. The next is a clever. Now I am showing you the sentences, but doesn't mean that you're going to write the same sentence, children. You can make your own sentence. Now see, I made the sentence. Please pay attention. See, the village road was very dusty. Or you can say that room was very dusty. The furniture was very dusty. My bag is, see, now the bag, suppose for example you have kept a bag in the room and for many days you have not used that thing, so you can say, oh my bag is dusty. It has become dusty. Oh, dusty ho gaya hai now. Okay. Next, sunny. We went to the beach on a sunny day. Or you can say, I like sunny day. Like how you say, I like a rainy day, I like winter day. You can write, I like sunny day. Okay, then you can say, I ride cycle on a sunny day. मुझे आपको धूप अच्छा लगता है. Or my mama says today it's raining. You can go to your friend's house on a sunny day. ठीक है, I go to the park on a sunny day. Anything. Dislike, जो आपको पसंद नहीं है. I dislike the smell of the garbage. I dislike Karela. I dislike junk food. I dislike noodles. आप लिखेंगे तो आप अपने आप ही नहीं खाएंगे. So please write. Next, looked. He looked at the birds on the tree. I looked at my sister in anger. Right or no, in a positive sentence लेते हैं. चलो. She looked at me. What you can say? Immediately she looked at me and she looked at me and said to move out. उसने मुझे तरफ देखा तुरंत और कहा कि आप चले जाइए. She looked at me and said, you move out. Okay. She looked at me immediately and said, come on, you start the dance. Or you complete the race. Anything you can write. Okay. Or you can write, she looked at the sky as if she is looking at for the first time. Or she looked at the door to know who was on the door, or to find out who knocked the door. Okay, children. He looked at the birds on the tree. Or you can say the cat looked at the mice. Okay, to catch hold of it. Okay. The baby looked at the mother. The baby looked at the mother with smile. Isn't it a very nice sentence, children? Next, listened. She listened to the sweet chirping of the birds. You can write, we should listen to she listened to her mama attentively. She listened to the teacher attentively. Okay, that way you can write, I listened to the music. Okay, next, clever. Ram is a clever boy. You can write Amol is a clever boy. She is a clever girl. My mama is a clever. My mama is very clever. ठीक है? Anything. You try to write on your own, children. Please. Spoon feeding बंद करो. Copy. Please try to write, children. ठीक है बेटा? I think that is the last question. That's all, children. And please complete the exercise. Okay, you have promised me in the live class. Please complete your work, children. Thank you so much. God bless.